When paper crafting, it's nice to be able to mask off different areas, and these are two products that I do use when I'm masking. Now, the Tombow Monomelty glue might be an odd one to choose, but it's a glue that can glue two pieces of paper together, or if you let it dry completely, it dries like a Post-it note. The Masking Magic from Gina comes in sheets, and it has like a Post-it note adhesive on it. You can easily die cut through it, or you can stamp and then cut out images from it. Here I have the Better Press Butterfly Swirl die plate that I foiled, and I used the matching die to create a mask to ink that foiled image. Once I'm done with it, I put that backing back on, and I'll keep that mask in with that plate and die set to use for future projects. They can be used several different times. To mask with Tombow Multi, I will stamp an image and cut it out. You'll want to cut it just a hair inside the stamped image. I'll then take my Mono Multi and I will do some squiggly lines over the back. You don't need thick adhesive, but you do want it to go all over the back. And then I let it dry till it's completely clear. To use it as a mask, I'll stamp my image, put that mask on there, and then I'll stamp around it or ink blend around it. In this case, I wanted to create a cluster of butterflies, so the Tombow Multi was perfect for this. Once you're done, you can just peel off that mask, and I like to keep it to use a couple times more with that same set. These are both great ways to do masking, both in a different way, but it's nice to have options to choose from.